So here's how to fix the version of AMD Radeon software you have launched is not compatible with your currently installed AMD graphics driver. First, what you can do is right click on the start button and then go to the device manager. And you want to expand display adapters and then select your AMD graphic GPU. Right click on it and click on update drivers. Search automatically for drivers, and it should start downloading any available drivers if you don't have them already. Next, what you can do is click on search for updated drivers if you didn't find any in here, and it should display pending updates. If you see any pending updates related to your Radeon software or Radeon GPU or AMD GPU, you should download and install them. You can also look for them in the advanced options optional updates. And if you see anything related to your AMD in this list, you want to check the box next to it and then click on download and install. Now, after downloading and installing, it should prompt you to reboot your computer. Now, after rebooting your computer, now the last option is to open your browser and then search for AMD software and then click on the first link. Now you want to download the AMD software. You can also look up AMD drivers and click on the first link and then click on download Windows drivers. And once the download is complete, you want to install this. So you can click on the installer and proceed to follow the steps to install the AMD software for drivers. Now, once you run it, you want to click on install and then continue the process. And it should help you download and install all the required drivers automatically. Now, once you complete that, you will simply need to reboot your computer, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.